Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you my life story. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Rita Shah. I'm a TEDx speaker, international keynote speaker, growth coach, and I am on a mission to impact 1 million women entrepreneurs so that they can grow in their business and their life. Now, what do you think? Did I have this kind of career goals or mission, or I ever thought that I'm going to be successful? Actually, not. When I was very young, I had no goals. In fact, I wouldn't say I didn't have goal. Let me tell you, I had only one goal, and that was to become the best homemaker. Because the way we were trained and taught was that you are a girl, study a little bit, no problems, but what's important is get married and settle down. That's your life about. So I had no idea I'm going to be something. In fact, when I was in my 12th, I gave my CA entrance exam just because everybody said so, and I failed miserably. And I decided that I'm not going to be giving CA ever again. I was, good student. I used to come in top 3 in my school, and that was my first failure of my life. Any which ways, I completed my graduation. I enrolled for law course because my dad was a lawyer and I wanted to do law. And for some reason, I wanted to experience financial freedom, and my dad said that no, I cannot take up a job. I actually took up CA course for articleship so that I could experience the environment of how it is to work outside. Continued my CA. I was very clear I'm going to give up on my CA, but you know what? Sometimes when you're forced in an environment and around you, all the people are positive, are pushing forward, are talking about big goals, you get driven yourself. And that's what happened with me. And I also thought that, no, why should I give up CA? Now that I've enrolled in CA, let me finish it. And I continued. Now here comes my final CA exam. In the month of August 1990, my dad says, once your exams are over, Rita, we are going to look out for a boy for you and get married. Now I asked my dad, but what if I fail? Because you know what? I had that previous reference of failure, and when the most important exam came up, which was a final exam, that failure reference came back. My dad said, if you fail, then your in-laws will decide if you should do further study or not. Now, this was a very big trigger in my life. The trigger that I had was that my in-laws, whom I don't even know who they will be, would decide should I study or not, which means my 3 years of efforts of doing CA, of articleship, clearing my intermediate exam, everything will go to waste. I was okay being a chartered accountant and staying at home. But now was the question whether I will be chartered accountant or not, because I may not be allowed to give exam if I fail here. And that is when this trigger told me that I'm not going to allow somebody else to shape up my future. I have put in this 3 years of my efforts in my career, and I'm going to give my best shot. That day onwards, till November exam, the way I worked was like there was no looking back. I had not put in my 100%, I had put in my 200% in that exam. Because I did not have an option to fail. The results came out. And guess what happened? Not only I passed, I stood 32nd rank all over India in final CA examination. Of course, by then I had got engaged and my marriage was decided. I was very lucky afterwards that I had an amazing in-laws, amazing husband, and they all allowed me, and I continued to work. And The most important thing I learned from my failure and to this kind of super duper success is it's all out here in my head. What I want to do would decide how much effort will I do to get what I want. My life continued, and I was very lucky to have this kind of an environment where I was allowed to do whatever I wanted to do. And today I'm a successful person. And the reason I want to keep on inspiring, especially women, is because everything is possible. It's the way we think. If you think you can't do it, you are not going to do it. If you think you can balance your personal life and your professional life, you will make it happen. You will expand your capabilities. So don't think that because you are a lady you are less. It's nothing like that. It's all in your head. You can do whatever you want to achieve. Thank you so much for listening to this video, listening to my story. And if you like this story, if you like this video, please hit that like button. I would like to know from you, what do you feel about my story, and share your comment. And of course, share this video with as many people as you can, because you never know, we will be able to impact somebody's life. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to come back to you with more stories that will help you shift the way you look at your life. Thanks so much. Bye.